No, the Supreme Court has created an atmosphere of hate across India. And I feel very sad because the Supreme Court is meant to be the last institution that we respect. And if they lose the respect of the people, we hurt ourselves. Therefore, what the judges have done is wrong. By simply dividing India into people that hate one species or love one species, they have done a disservice to India. The Animal Welfare Act is a very good act, and it has protected animals and people for many years. They have not removed the act. They have simply said, you please work against the act. This is not correct.
You have said, like in Kerala, how many slaughterhouses are existing. Around 30% of beef consumption are done in India, but we are the largest exporter in the world.
It is extremely violent, and it does not behove India. I was deeply hopeful that when the BJP came in, they would stop meat export because it was in the manifesto. Unfortunately, it has not stopped. We cannot allow things to happen just because we believe that they give work or they give employment. That way, then why do we drive cars? We should all go in bullock carts.
You were at the helm of affair of your Indian minister. So in the international thing that's going on in the world, means a president of a country, Venezuela, was hit by US. How do you see?
It's very frightening, very frightening. That a president can be kidnapped by another country, that is very frightening.
Madam, finally, last question. Your relative, one of the relative, Priyanka, has been anointed in party forum rank. She is being chosen as screening committee member for Assam election. So how do you see? Will you congratulate?
I don't have a comment on this, Peter. I very rarely talk on politics, even when I was in member party.
Will you congratulate?
देखिए जो चिलिका है वो पूरे देश की अमानत है. It's a saltwater lake, and I have had many teams sent there. हमने नेशनल अवार्ड भी दिया है उन लोगों को जिन्होंने चिलिका में कोचिंग बंद करवाई है. It is the most beautiful lake in the world, and I'm so happy that the government wants to revive it. मुझे नहीं मालूम उड़ीसा का, लेकिन दिल्ली का जो सिंगल पॉइंट पोल्यूशन का वजह है फायर क्रैकर्स. अगर आप 800 करोड़ रुपए के फायर क्रैकर्स 2 रातों में फूके तो उसका क्या होगा? फायर क्रैकर्स को तो बंद करना चाहिए पूरे देश में. जो भी फायर क्रैकर इस्तेमाल करते हैं वो एंटी नेशनल है इस वक्त, क्योंकि मैं मर रही हूँ, आप मर रहे हैं फायर क्रैकर्स की वजह से.
मैम, ये जो एनिमल क्रूरल्टी के somewhat it is also connected with environment thing. आज एक इंसिडेंट हुआ उड़ीसा में जहाँ पे एक इलीगल क्वेरी माइनिंग में कई लोग फंसे मरने की खबर आ रही है. तो कहीं ना कहीं ये चीज बंद होना चाहिए.
मगर हम लोग जब हम बोलते हैं इसको बंद होना चाहिए, उसको बंद होना चाहिए, सवाल ये है कि हम लोग एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि सरकार सब कुछ करे. पीपल्स मूवमेंट्स को भी तो शुरू करना चाहिए. नहीं, ये जो जानवरों की रक्षा है ये एक पीपल्स मूवमेंट बन करके रहा है. नहीं तो 10 साल पहले कहाँ था, 20 साल पहले कहाँ था. अब जो लोग सड़क पर आ रहे हैं रक्षा के लिए हर स्पीशीज के, when you protect your country, it has to be done. Each person has to do it, ना. आप कह रहे हो पोल्यूशन पोल्यूशन पोल्यूशन, लेकिन दिवाली के दिन आपने भी तो पटाखे चलाए. फिर तो आप धर्म तोड़ोगे तो उसके बाद आपका कोई हक बनता नहीं है कुछ बोलने का.